Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a destination that tech's quickly becoming the talk of the travel world. Forget what you think you know, because we're exploring why Baja California when it comes to dreaming big. It's not just about sunny beaches anymore. Something truly special is happening just south of the border, and you're going to want to be a part of it. So, what's all the buzz about? Well, for starters, there's a palpable energy building up, especially in places like Rosarito. The city is gearing up to host the 2025 Tianguis Turístico, which is Mexico's most important travel trade show. This isn't just a local fair. It's a massive international event that puts a destination on the global map. The fact that Rosarito was chosen speaks volumes about the region's growing importance. It's a sign that the world is finally taking notice of what Baja has to offer, and the local community is buzzing with excitement, ready to roll out the red carpet and show everyone what makes their home so unique. But this isn't just a fleeting moment in the spotlight. Baja California is thinking long-term, and they're doing it with a conscience. The entire state has officially declared 2025 as the year of sustainable tourism. This is a huge deal. It means that every new project, every tour, and every hotel is being developed with an eye toward protecting the natural beauty that makes this peninsula so breathtaking. They're focusing on eco-friendly practices, preserving marine life, and ensuring that the tourism boom benefits the environment, not harms it. This commitment to sustainability means you can enjoy the stunning landscapes from the desert to the sea, knowing that your visit is helping to preserve them for generations to come. It's about creating a travel experience that feels good in every sense of the word. Now, let's talk about something that gets everyone excited: food. Move over Mexico City and Oaxaca, because Baja California is rapidly emerging as the country's new culinary capital. The food scene here is absolutely explosive, driven by a concept known as Baja Med cuisine. Imagine the freshest seafood from the Pacific, combined with the organic produce of the Valle de Guadalupe wine country, all infused with traditional Mexican flavors and a Mediterranean twist. We're talking world-class chefs setting up innovative restaurants in vineyards, rustic roadside stands serving the most incredible fish tacos you've ever tasted, and a farm-to-table philosophy that is deeply ingrained in the culture. From Ensenada to Tijuana, your taste buds are in for an adventure. This isn't just dinner. It's an experience that tells the story of the land and the sea. Of course, a great destination needs to be easy to get to, and Baja has that covered. The infrastructure is seeing massive upgrades, making travel smoother than ever. One of the biggest game changers is the increase in direct flights to Los Cabos. Airlines are adding new routes. From major cities across North America and beyond. Which means you can be sipping a margarita on the beach just a few hours after takeoff. This enhanced accessibility isn't just for Los Cabos. It opens up the entire peninsula. Better roads and improved transport links make it easier to explore hidden gems. From the historic streets of San Jose del Cabo to the epic surf spots along the Pacific coast, getting here is no longer a hassle. It's the easy first step of your adventure. What truly sets Baja California apart, though, is its heart. This tourism boom isn't happening in a vacuum. It's being built hand in hand with the people who call this place home. Local communities are being actively involved in the development of tourism. This means you get a more authentic experience. You're not just a tourist. You're a guest. You can take cooking classes with local families, buy beautiful crafts directly from the artisans who made them, or go on guided tours with people who have lived on this land for generations. This cultural integration ensures that the economic benefits of tourism are shared, and it preserves the unique cultural heritage of the region. It creates a connection that goes far beyond a simple vacation, making your trip more meaningful and memorable. To top it all off, Baja California is stepping onto the world stage by hosting a series of major international events. We already mentioned the Tianguis Turístico, but that's just the beginning. The region is actively attracting major sporting competitions, music, festivals, and cultural gatherings. These events don't just bring in visitors. They elevate Baja California's profile on a global scale. They showcase the region's capacity to host world-class functions and highlight its vibrant, dynamic atmosphere. It's a strategic move to position Baja not just as a vacation spot, but as a premier global destination for culture, sports, and entertainment. This influx of international attention is creating an exciting cosmopolitan vibe that you can feel as soon as you arrive. So, when you put it all together, the picture becomes clear. Baja California is undergoing a remarkable transformation. With the excitement of major events like the Tianguis Turístico, a deep commitment to sustainable tourism, and a food scene that's taking the world by storm, it's easy to see the appeal. Add in the enhanced infrastructure, making it easier than ever to get here, and the deep, authentic connection with local communities, and you have the recipe for the perfect travel destination. It's the California dream reimagined with a vibrant Mexican soul. It's a place that's looking toward the future while honoring its past, creating an experience that is both thrilling and deeply authentic. So, if you're looking for your next great adventure, a place that has it all beauty, flavor, and so it's time to set your sights on Baja California. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and are feeling inspired to pack your bags, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel guides and inspiration. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Baja California or if it's on your list. See you in the next one.